Hello everyone, so today I'm having a collab with Liao. Speak yourself, Liao, because you have been AFK forever. Liao, this is a YouTube video, it's nothing. Okay, Spooky Funky Friday. Liao, join me. Liao, I swear you need to join me. So, I have the recorder set up, so can you say hello?
Hello.
Okay. Now, can you join me?
Okay, I am.
Okay.
I am very shy. This is my first time ever on a video.
Don't be too shy. If you be too shy, I'm just gonna sacrifice myself.
Come on. Okay, where are you?
I'm right here!
Where are you, Bacon? Okay, come over here, Bacon. Your new name is Bacon now.
Wait, let me choose a song. This is my video, so I have to choose a song.
Okay.
I'm gonna choose this one, because I love this one.
Oh, I'm gonna pick it too, so like, even if I get it,
I'm actually good at this one.
I like Axis Hill. Axis Hill is one of my favorite.
I know!
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, diamonds and circle.
I have to turn the volume down. It lagged a bit. I'm actually good. Oh no, I have to raise my volume. Come on, you can do this. I'm like beating you already. How are you still? You have like over 100 misses, Liao. Because I have the info bar. I have 100K already. That's so insane. OMG, I'm doing so good.
That's what Kendrick does, and he always wins you.
He always
Okay.
wins.
Kendrick. It's like switching one by one. I'm gonna go, circle, 1 second. I'm gonna get an info bar too.
Okay, so you can see my misses. I'm gonna choose Box Band because that's the most easiest song. Or should I do Sporting?
Yeah, let's do which one you want.
Okay, I'm doing.
Well, my question. I put on my info bar and your info bar right now. And my question is, how does Kendrick even do it?
I'm so good. Bro, that girl is stuck down there. Liao. How do you already have 100 misses already? How 100 misses? Okay, why did you reset? That's like so chaotic.
Wait, I'm going to turn on all my settings.
Why? You're gonna use the default settings.
No, I'm going to use all settings.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm not going to do that.
That means all the settings might be tricky for you because look.
It's very easy. Here's the settings. My question is, how do I get that bar in the top to see who's winning?
I don't know.
But how did you put it with your last time in your old video? Did you forget?
How do I get a partner animation?
No, not the partner animation. I mean like that bar in the top where like you see. Oh no, I got it. Mine is in the bottom.
I don't know. I always do great on this. I'm so good. I can't hear you right now. This is too loud. Yes, I'm using the bottom. How do you already have a 200 misses already? I won!
You won?
I'm so good. Okay, I'm so
No,
good.
that's not really. I won.
No, look at the chat.
Well, 1 second. I'm gonna put it up instead of down. The down it just makes it super hard.
The down one is so easy. What are you talking about? You're using the default settings.
No, I'm using down. I'm using all the settings are on. No, I am not really wanting you. I'm in a video right now.
Please don't reset because I hate you by resetting.
Okay.
I'm choosing Bandit because should I do foolhardy?
I already picked.
Okay, then I'm picking already.
Okay. 2, 1, down.
Bro, not this again. We already did it like 2 times.
I turned it down.
sometimes. I just lagged.
Why did you reset?
It's because I lagged, don't you see? I'm doing Full Hardy because that one is the most hardest song and you can't even beat me in Full Hardy.
I'm going to do Woody. The last song in the list. Hard mode.
I know, like, my friend Funky King doesn't like lag.
Friday Funkin' King. Who's your Friday night Funkin' Funky Friday King?
How one misses Ray. I have like 0. I mean, actually, no, I have 2. Layout. How 100 misses already? There's like literally a mosquito in front of my face. Layout. How 100 misses? How did you already got 100 misses? I might practice you. I might have to train you. Okay, GG. Okay, I'm almost gonna end the video. Oh no, I don't have much time. Okay, so bye everyone, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.